We believe that everyone deserves financial freedom and the ability to live life on their own terms. Imagine having the funds to do what you want, live in your dream house, drive your dream car, and enjoy life with your loved ones. That's why we want to help you learn how to make money on YouTube with simple videos. Psychology. Hi friends, my name is Thomas. Why is psychology important in video creation for financial success? Understanding the psychology behind viewer behavior and engagement is crucial in maximizing your earning potential. In this section, we will delve into the importance of incorporating psychological strategies in your YouTube content and how it can significantly impact your audience engagement and monetization efforts. When it comes to creating YouTube videos, it's not just about the content you deliver but also how you deliver it. Understanding the psychological triggers that drive human behavior can help you create content that resonates with your audience on a deeper level, leading to increased engagement and ultimately, more monetization opportunities. Have you ever seen somebody with money, without a partner? Welcome to this dissertation on how to unlock the secrets of making money on YouTube. This is going to be a straight-to-the-point introduction to information that shows you exactly how to make money on YouTube with simple videos. Psychology. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. The potential impact of psychological strategies on audience engagement and monetization. Psychology plays a crucial role in capturing and retaining the attention of your viewers. By leveraging psychological strategies such as storytelling, emotional appeal, and persuasive communication techniques, you can create videos that not only entertain but also educate and inspire your audience. Benefits of leveraging psychology in YouTube content for profitability. By incorporating psychology into your video creation process, you can create content that is not only engaging but also highly profitable. Psychological strategies can help you build a loyal fan base, increase your video's shareability, and ultimately, drive more traffic to your channel. Additionally, understanding the psychological needs and preferences of your audience can help you tailor your content to meet their expectations, leading to higher viewer satisfaction and increased monetization opportunities in the long run. Understanding psychological triggers. Emotional appeal is a powerful tool that can significantly impact viewer behavior and engagement. Whether it's evoking feelings of joy, sadness, excitement, or nostalgia, incorporating emotional elements into your videos can help you capture and retain the attention of your viewers. Social proof is another psychological trigger that can play a crucial role in building credibility and attracting a larger audience to your YouTube channel. Scarcity tactics are a proven strategy for creating a sense of urgency and driving viewers to take action. By highlighting limited time offers, exclusive content, or special promotions, you can create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, that motivates viewers to engage with your videos and subscribe to your channel. By understanding the power of emotional appeal, social proof, and scarcity tactics, you can create compelling videos that resonate with your audience, build credibility and trust, and ultimately, drive viewers to take action and support your channel's growth and profitability. Great to have you here with us. Creating compelling content. Crafting compelling videos that resonate with viewers on a psychological level is essential for driving monetization and success on YouTube. By incorporating storytelling techniques, elements of surprise, and relatability into your content, you can create a powerful connection with your audience that keeps them engaged, interested, and coming back for more. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Storytelling is a fundamental aspect of creating compelling videos that evoke emotions and establish a deep connection with your audience. By weaving narratives, anecdotes, and personal experiences into your content, you can create a compelling story arc that captivates viewers and keeps them invested in your message. Incorporating elements of surprise and novelty into your videos is another effective way to keep viewers engaged and interested in your content. Utilizing the power of relatability is key to building a loyal fan base and increasing watch time and ad revenue on YouTube. By creating content that resonates with the experiences, emotions, and interests of your audience, you can establish a strong connection that fosters trust, loyalty, and engagement. Stay with us please, more good information coming. Optimizing for audience retention. Maximizing audience retention is crucial for increasing revenue potential and overall success on YouTube. By implementing strategies to hook viewers from the start, structuring videos for easy consumption, and incorporating interactive elements, you can enhance viewer engagement, improve watch time, and ultimately drive monetization on your channel. Hooking viewers in the first few seconds of your video is essential for reducing bounce rates and capturing the attention of your audience. Structuring your videos for easy consumption is key to maintaining viewer interest throughout the content and maximizing audience retention. Organize your videos into clear sections or segments, use visual cues and transitions to guide viewers through the content, and keep your pacing dynamic to prevent boredom or disengagement. Creating interactive elements in your videos is a powerful way to boost engagement and encourage longer viewing sessions. Incorporate polls, quizzes, annotations, clickable links, or calls to action to encourage viewer participation and interaction with your content. By making your videos more interactive and engaging, you can create a more immersive viewing experience that keeps viewers invested, entertained, and motivated to stay engaged with your channel for longer periods of time. Interactive elements not only increase audience retention but also provide opportunities for driving conversions, promoting products or services, and generating additional revenue streams on YouTube. We hope that you are enjoying this video. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Monetization techniques. Exploring various monetization techniques that align with psychological principles can significantly boost earnings from YouTube videos. By leveraging strategies such as affiliate marketing, product placements, sponsored content, and psychological pricing, content creators can optimize revenue streams and increase profitability while enhancing audience engagement and reach. Affiliate marketing and product placements are effective techniques for driving revenue through viewer actions. Incorporating subtle product placements that seamlessly integrate with your content can also generate additional revenue streams while enhancing the viewer experience. Sponsored content and collaborations offer opportunities to enhance both monetization and audience reach on YouTube. By partnering with brands, influencers, or other content creators, you can create sponsored videos that promote products or services in an authentic and engaging way. Collaborations not only provide additional revenue streams but also introduce your channel to new audiences, expanding your reach and increasing viewer engagement. By selecting partners that resonate with your brand and align with your audience's interests, you can create compelling content that drives monetization while maintaining credibility and trust with your viewers. We are almost finished. Hang in there. Leveraging psychological pricing strategies is another effective way to optimize ad revenue and increase profitability on YouTube. By experimenting with different pricing strategies and analyzing viewer behavior, you can fine-tune your monetization approach to maximize ad revenue and drive profitability on YouTube. In conclusion, integrating psychology into your video creation process is essential for achieving financial gains and success on YouTube. By understanding and leveraging psychological principles, content creators can enhance audience engagement, optimize monetization strategies, and drive profitability on the platform. Let's recap the key points discussed and encourage you to take action towards implementing these psychological strategies for YouTube success. Have you ever seen anyone who has money without a partner? By tapping into the subconscious minds of your viewers, you can create content that resonates on a deeper level, leading to increased engagement, retention, and ultimately, more opportunities for monetization. Understanding the psychological triggers that drive viewer behavior can help you craft compelling videos that capture attention, evoke emotions, and drive action, ultimately leading to financial success on the platform. It is crucial to understand viewer behavior and preferences to enhance content performance and monetization on YouTube. By analyzing audience insights, feedback, and engagement metrics, you can tailor your content to meet the needs and expectations of your viewers, leading to higher retention rates, increased watch time, and more opportunities for revenue generation. Together, let's unlock the power of psychology in video creation and pave the way for success on YouTube. Thank you for being with us. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.